Hello. So welcome to the Stock and Profit podcast. It's my pleasure to be with you today, and I'm going to be talking about the myth versus the reality. Is Forex trading a scam? Right. Okay, so now Forex trading, of course, in short, which is, the foreign exchange market, is indeed a global market, right? Where you have different players, from institutions to retail traders, to individuals who trade, the Forex market thanks to the internet and also computers and smartphones and, advancement in technology and all of that. Now, over the years, Forex has actually garnered its own fair share of skepticism and negative perceptions. Now, with some people even labeling it as a scam. Okay, so in today's podcast, we'll try to explore some of the common myths surrounding Forex trading and shed light on the reality of this complex financial market. Now, myth number one: Forex trading is a scam designed to trick traders. Now, one of the most persistent myths about Forex trading is the belief that it is designed specifically by some people, the market makers, to deceive traders and siphon off their money. Now, skeptics often point to the decentralized and over-the-counter nature of the Forex market as evidence of potential scams. Now, the reality is that Forex trading is a legitimate and highly regulated financial market. The decentralized nature of Forex means that it lacks a centralized exchange, but it operates under the oversight of various regulatory bodies worldwide. Now, reputable Forex brokers are subject to strict regulations, ensuring that they adhere to ethical and transparent trading practices. So this is why it's important that when you start trading, don't just go get a broker that is not regulated, a broker that does not have is not necessarily accountable to any regulatory agency. You have to go to brokers that are actually being regulated. That way you eliminate the scam, right, or the manipulations that sometimes unregulated brokers perpetuate in the market. Of course, there's penalty if anyone is caught, but all the same, using regulated brokers keeps you on the safe side. Myth number two: most traders lose money in Forex. Now, this is a very common myth, and it's based on the belief that vast majority of Forex traders lose money, making it nearly impossible for newcomers to succeed. Now, what is the reality? The reality is this: while it is true that trading Forex can be challenging, and I can tell you firsthand, it is not accurate to say that most traders lose money, right? Success in Forex trading depends on an individual's skills, knowledge, and risk management. With the right education, strategies, and discipline, traders can achieve profitability over time, right? When you come into something like Forex trading, that's why people need to be very realistic. You don't come into trading Forex and after 2 months you say you want to become consistently profitable. You don't do that with education in university. You don't go to university, after 2 months you become a doctor, or you become a lawyer, or you become an engineer, or you become whatever professional. You take time. You take 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So why is it that when people now come into trading, they just want to spend 2 months and then they want to become profitable? It doesn't work like that. You have to be realistic. Okay. Now, myth number 3: Forex is a form of gambling. Now, many skeptics, equate Forex trading with gambling, claiming that traders are essentially betting on currency price movements without any real analysis or strategy. What is the reality? The reality is this: Forex trading is not gambling. While it involves risk, successful traders rely on a combination of technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and strategic decision making, right? Unlike pure chance, Forex trading allows individuals to make informed decisions based on data and analysis. It is only when a trader trades without any analysis that it can be considered gambling and recklessness, right? So if you just come into market and you say, oh, I see the candles going up, and then because the candles are going up, you also begin to buy. Or I see the candles going down, because the candles are going down, you begin to sell. That's gambling, right? That's straight up gambling. But if you're someone who has a strategy, you've back tested your data, you have data to back up your strategy, and you're taking trades based on that strategy, that is not gambling, right? Because it's a different ball game. All right, so Forex is not gambling, in short. Now, myth number 4: Forex requires a large capital to start. Now, there is a lot of misconception that trading forex will require that you amass a lot of capital and you bring that into the market for you to be able to trade. Now, thus making it people believe that because you need large capital, it makes it inaccessible to those with limited funds. Now, what is the reality? The reality is that forex trading is flexible and can be started with a relatively small capital. As a matter of fact, some brokers can even allow you, put in $10. And if you have the skill, you can scale that up. You can grow that. Of course, that will take time, right? So many brokers offer micro and mini accounts, even that allow traders to sort of start with as little, as $100, $50, some, and even some less than that, or even less. Now, it is crucial to begin with an amount you can afford to lose and gradually increase your capital as you gain experience. Okay? Now, myth number 5, forex trading promises quick and easy profits. Now, there are a lot of individuals who are drawn to forex trading with the expectation it offers a shortcut to wealth. The reality is, forex is the simplest, hardest way to make money. Those are contradictory right now, but it is what it is. Forex is the simplest, hardest way to make money, right? But it becomes simple after you gain the experience, you have the right knowledge, you're able to gain the experience, you've gained experience, and then you're able to execute, right? Now, a lot of people, come into trading because they believe, oh, this is just some shortcut to wealth, a get-rich-quick scheme. Unfortunately, forex is a get-rich-slow scheme, right? It can take you time, depending, of course, on the right education, also the mentorship you get, right? Now, a lot of people also see the flashy cars and lifestyle online, exhibited by some of, the influencer traders, right? In quote. And as a result of that, they get drawn to this. Now, and they think that they can replicate the same without putting in the work. Now, what is the reality? The reality is this. While it is possible to make profits in forex, it is far from quick and easy money. This is super important to internalize. Forex is far from quick and easy money. Successful trading requires ongoing learning, practice, and the ability to adapt to changing market conditions. Like any other endeavor, forex trading demands dedication and discipline. You have to be super dedicated and disciplined, right, for you to actually become the kind of success that is necessary for you to become. So, in conclusion, now, forex trading is not a scam, but rather a legitimate financial market with opportunities for profit and risk. Now, the negative perceptions surrounding forex often stem from misconceptions and misunderstandings. Now, traders should approach forex with the realistic expectations, seek quality education like the Stock in Profit mentorship, and choose reputable brokers after they've acquired the necessary skills and education. Now, while it is not a guaranteed path to riches, it can be a rewarding endeavor for those who are willing to invest the time and effort required to master it, right? And this is it. So if you put in the work, you would definitely get the result. So hey, that is it on the myth versus reality of forex trading. I want to believe you've been able to pick a thing or two from this. It's a pleasure sharing with you, and I look forward to seeing you some other time. Stay stuck in profit, and bye-bye.